Ever see a peacock wander down your street or shop in a store full of spooky skeletons and odd treasures? How about watching a movie under the stars for free? Welcome to Winter Park, Florida, a town full of surprises. Let's explore some of the weird, fun, and totally different things you can do around Winter Park. Number 1, the Winter Park Scenic Boat Tour. A pontoon boat on Winter Park's lakes, ready to glide under low bridges. One of the best ways to discover Winter Park's quirkiness is by water. The Winter Park Scenic Boat Tour has been delighting folks since 1938. And it's not your average boat ride. The boats hold about 18 people. And guess what? There's no roof. That's because it floats through teeny tiny canals where bridges are just inches above your head. It's like a real-life jungle cruise. Let's talk about Saturday's Farmers Market. Winter Park's weekends kick off with the Farmers Market. That's anything but ordinary. Every Saturday morning, they used to have it in the old train depot on New England Avenue, a real 1913 train station with original brick walls and sliding barn doors. The whole place comes alive with stalls of fresh Florida produce, homemade jams, local honey, and yummy treats. Think giant cinnamon rolls and handmade donuts. The market is bustling with families and neighbors. You'll see kids with ice cream cones, parents with bouquets of flowers, and maybe even pups on leashes saying hello. It's become an awesome Saturday tradition in Winter Park and a great way to meet the community. In fact, one tip from my buyer's playbook is to dive into local events like this. It's the fastest way to feel like a local and find your place here. Next is Mead Botanical Garden, a secret garden adventure, a tranquil path through Mead Botanical Garden's lush greenery. If your family loves to explore the outdoors, you're going to adore Mead Botanical Garden. It's like stumbling into a secret garden right in the middle of the city. And the best part, it's completely free to visitors. You can wander along shady trails, under towering oak trees, and find all sorts of little wonders. There are colorful flower beds with butterflies dancing around in a quiet pond where turtles pop up their heads, and even a trickle creek lined with funny-looking cypress tree knees sticking out of the ground. Sometimes you'll catch sight of rabbits hopping across the path or hearing frogs croaking a hello. Here's a quirky bit of Winter Park trivia. While you're out in nature, the city has a history of peacocks. Yes, those big, bright blue birds roaming around certain neighborhoods. Years ago, a local family released a pair of peacocks on their estate, and within 2 decades, those became over 100 peacocks strutting around town. Don't be surprised if you hear a wild peacock calling or even see one showing off its feathers near the gardens. It's like a little wildlife surprise in the city. Winter Park truly blends nature with everyday life in the coolest way. Speaking of making life easier, if you're dreaming of a backyard full of flowers or a neighborhood where peacocks roam, the buyer's playbook can help you find that perfect spot. Just saying. Kraft Azalea Garden, hidden lakeside gem. This one, a true hidden gem that many tourists miss. Tucked in a quiet tree-lined neighborhood is Kraft Azalea's Garden, a 5-acre lakeside sanctuary that feels almost magical. Locals call it the secret garden. For good reason. It's secluded and peaceful, with ancient moss-draped cypress trees everywhere. As you walk in, you'll notice a ring of tall, white Greek-style columns overlooking Mate Lakeland. It's actually a monument called an extra, but kids usually just think it looks like a cool ruin or a mini Parthenon. It's one of the most picturesque spots in Winter Park. You might stumble on a photo shoot or even a tiny wedding happening under those columns. Next, Audubon Center for birds of prey. Ready for something wild? Just a few minutes from the heart of Winter Park is the Audubon Center for Birds of Prey, a place where you can come face to face with bald eagles, hawks, owls, and other raptors that have been rescued. This isn't a big zoo or a theme park. It's more like an intimate sanctuary where injured birds are cared for, and visitors get to learn about them up close. And by visiting, you're also supporting the rehabilitation of these magnificent birds. A trip to the Birds of Prey Center is not only exciting, it's inspiring. Your family will walk away with great memories and many new favorite animals. It's another example of winter parks offering something special off the beaten path for families to enjoy. Next, we have the popcorn flicks in the park. After all those adventures, how about winding down with a movie under the night sky? Popcorn Flicks in the Park is a beloved winter park event that turns the regular night into a family festival. Once a month, usually on the second Thursday, Winter Park teams up with local indie cinema to show a free movie in Central Park. That's right, an outdoor movie theater on the grass. We're talking classic family-friendly films like think Disney favorites or old classics or fun throwbacks on a big inflatable screen. Super fun, right? And there you have it, a taste of the weird, fun, and different side of Winter Park. From boat rides under low bridges to free movies under the stars. From secret gardens to oddity shops, this town is full of happy surprises. It's the kind of place where your weekends can be an adventure one day and relaxing and escaping the next. I hope you're imagining yourself and your family here, enjoying all these awesome experiences. Now, if you're considering a move to Winter Park or anywhere nearby, I'm here to help make it easy for you. Remember that free buyer's playbook I mentioned? It's my gift to you, a handy guide packed with tips to get ahead in your home search. Avoid the common moving headaches and zero in on the right neighborhood so you can start enjoying Winter Park lifestyle faster. Go ahead, grab it, check the link in the description below. I put a lot of my personal advice there so you can have a smooth move, just like so many families I've helped. Feel free to reach out to me with any questions about Winter Park or moving here. I truly love chatting with and helping future neighbors. If you found this video helpful or fun, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more insider info on life in Central Florida. Take care and see you next time.